Okay, now let's talk about future progressive. We use it to show a temporary action in progress. That will be taking place in the future. That's pretty much the only function of future progressive. How did we use it? First, as usual, comes the subject, followed by will be, followed by the verb with ing ending. For example, don't disturb me tonight. I will be working on my paper. I will be watching you. Don't try anything stupid. In questions, the subject comes between will and be. For example, where will you be flying today? I will be flying to New York. Will you be doing anything at 7 o'clock tonight? What will you be doing at 7 o'clock tonight? To make a negative, we use will not be or won't be. For example, I won't be watching you in the shower. Don't worry. Hopefully he won't be talking about his miserable life next time we meet. Okay, that wasn't too hard, was it? If you're ready, the next episode is a test. See you there.